It's amazing. It's nice to see these things in real life.
Yeah, I think it's a wonderful crash test from Geely. The active and the passive security works very well. The cabin is very secure, and all the materials and the technology is good shape.
Incredible, incredible. Just to actually see it in real life and just see how fast that hit. But also, I think what surprised me was how the 7X. It just took it all in. It didn't go all flying. It just makes me feel really secure.
I didn't expect the sound to be so loud, and when the collision happened, I remember I was like, oh gosh, but very, very impressive. I think to see that the car has held up so well with a trolley that was going at 84 kilometers per hour. I mean, as you can see, the rear of the car is caved in. That just shows how quickly the trolley was going, but the occupant space, which is the most important part, the car cabin is still intact, and I think that's the most important for any car buyer out there that wants to keep his family, their children all safe.
I think at the beginning that will be worst, that the car will be more stretched. But as a result, it was amazing, and it seems that the safety level of the motorcycle is astonishing. I think it's great. I think it's better than other competitors, even outside China.